Relax your body. Keep your legs straight. Deep breathe in, deep breathe out. Now turn your one side. Keep your body in straight line. One leg up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. With breath. Breathe in, breathe out. 8, 9, 10. Keep your leg upside. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Your leg should not bend. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Breathe out. Circle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now one leg cycling, upper leg cycling. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Fully bring your knee towards your head. 8. Fully straighten. 9, 10. Same way reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Do. 7, 8, 9, and 10. This is for hips and your thighs. Another side. Leg up and down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Catch your leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Circle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Reverse circle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. Cycling with one leg. 1. Fully bring your leg towards your knee. 2. Big circle. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Same way reverse cycling. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. Sleep straight. Sleep straight. Relax. Deep breathe in, deep breathe out. Now fold your both legs. Both hands separated. Palms downward facing. Both legs separated. Both knees one side bent. Breathe in, head opposite direction. And try to touch to the floor. Breathe out. Breathe in, touch your both legs, both knees to the floor. head opposite direction, breathe out. Breathe in, downside touch. Head opposite direction, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Relax. Setubandhasan or Kandhasan. Either you can catch your ankle also or simply put your hands down. You have to lift your body or back upside in this posture. Breathe in. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Breathe out. One more time. Breathe in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Breathe out. Again. Breathe in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You can also give support to your back with your hands. 8, 9, 10. Breathe out. Relax. Fully relax your body. Deep breathe in, deep breathe out. Pawan Muktasan with one leg. Each leg 5 times. Touch your knee to your hand or nose. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Pawan Muktasan with both legs. Catch your both legs. This is also very useful for digestion. If you are having any stomach pain, immediately you will do this asana, Pawan Muktasan, either of the leg or with both legs together. Immediately, within 5 minutes, you will get relief. Pawan Muktasan. For gastric problem, it is very effective. Touch your nose. Breathe out. One more time. Breathe out. Breathe in. One more time. Breathe out. Breathe in. Relax. Now bring your left hand back side. Turn towards your left. And with the support of your right hand, slowly get up. Anytime, don't get up suddenly. Always turn towards your left and then get up. We'll do pranayam now. Close your eyes. Focus upon your breath. Deep breathe in, deep breathe out. Your hands in Chin Mudra, Jnana Mudra. Deep breathe in, deep breathe out. Normal Anulom Vilom. First 2 finger fold. If it is not possible for you, at least first finger fold. Inhale. Close your right nostril. Inhale from left. Close your left. Open your right. Exhale from right. Inhale from right. Close your right. Exhale from left. Inhale left. Exhale right. Inhale right. Exhale left. Your inhale and exhale ratio should be the same. How many seconds you are inhale, that many seconds you have to exhale. Close your eyes. Feel your breath. Ask to the Paramatma whatever your purpose of doing yoga, doing pranayam. Kindly fulfill my dreams, kindly fulfill my target. If your target is your weight loss, say God, Oh Paramatma, kindly help me to achieve my desired weight, to achieve my target weight. Exhale with your right nostril and stop. This is Anulom Vilom Pranayama, Nadi Shodhan Pranayama. This is also called Nadi Shodhan. Nadi means inside your body. It's not nervous system, but it's like channel. Nadi means channel. Your body is channelized with 7 chakras. Each body parts had 7 different chakras. Each chakras is channelized with different nadis. In our body, 72,000 nadis are there. So 72,000 nadis are joined with chakras, and which regulates our bodily functions. Different body functions will be regulated by our nadi system. Now what happen if we are having knee pain? So there is some problem in our nadis at our knee portion. That means blood is not circulating properly. Either prana is our life. It is our breath. Not only breath, but it also living force. So living force is not properly reaching to our target organs, different organs. So if any blockage is there, it will removed by doing pranayama. All the blockages will be removed. So we are cleansing our nadi shuddhi. So by doing this Anulom Vilom pranayama or Nadi Shodhan pranayama, we are cleansing our 72,000 nadis. So each and every body parts will get proper energy. So it will function nicely. So if any body pains will be there, any blockages will be there, it will be removed. So with this Nadi Shodhan pranayama, we can cure number of diseases by doing only pranayama. Now we'll do Kapalbhati. This is second important pranayama. You have to exhale, 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 exhale. Only exhale. Don't focus upon your breath. Only exhale. हिना जी क्या हुआ? This is called Kapalbhati pranayama. It improves your digestive fire. It improves your lungs capacity. It improves your organ stamina. So all the way it is very useful. The same way as Nadi Shodhan pranayama is important, the same way Kapalbhati is very important. But those who are having BP problem, hypertension problem, they should do slowly. Not should by like this. Slowly they have to do. They don't have to overstrain their brain. Any exercise, hard exercise should not be performed by BP patients. And now we'll do Om. 3-time Om chanting. Deep inhale. Focus upon your body. Focus upon your breath. Focus upon your Om. Feel your Om inside your stomach, chest, nostril. O comes from your Nabi center. O, then U will come to your hearts, Ur, Hriday, and Ma will come from your nostril. Deep inhale, Om. Rub your palms. Place it upon your eyes. Again, rub your palms. Make it warm. Oh God, oh Paramatma, whatever energy I have created during yoga and pranayama, kindly put inside me, keep inside me. Each and every body organs, let it be open, let it be function nicely. Rub your palms. Place it upon your eyes. Slowly, slowly open your eyes and watch your palms. Om Shri Guru Pyo Namaha. Relax.